I know the second rate must be 8% because that was from our other fund. The second amount was y. That's the amount we invested at 8%. We don't know it, so that goes here. We convert 8% to a decimal and get 0.08y, or 8/100 times y. Our total interest we actually knew. We gained $787.50, so that goes here. This quiz is pretty tough, and there's a lot of algebraic reasoning going on, so don't worry if you didn't get it right on your first try. Stay with me so that way we can continue to make sense of this word problem.